Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this very exciting and challenging video on radical equations, square root cube root 33 plus x plus square root cube root 32 minus x equal to 3, and we have to find out real solutions only. So let's get started by writing square root cube root n. It is equal to 6th root n. So I can write our equation as 6th root 33 plus x plus 6th root 32 minus x equal to 3. Now the turn of substitution. I will consider our first radical equal to a. Second radical, here I will be writing b. So the very first equation which I can easily write, a plus b will be 3. Equation number 1. And from substitution I can write a power 6 would be 33 plus x. B power 6 would be 32 minus x. Once I will add both, I will get our equation number 2, a power 6 plus b power 6 equal to 65. So we will use these two equations. Let us solve this new system first. So I will be writing a power 6 plus b power 6 equal to 65 with a plus b equal to 3. Now I will use binomial expansion a plus b whole power 6. So for this I need to know the coefficients of expansion. So let me write here. For power 2 it would be 1 2 1. For power 3 1 3 3 1. For power 4 1 4 6 4 1. For power 5 1 5 10 10 5 1. And for power 6, which is required here, 1 6 15 20 15 6 1. So let us use these coefficients of expansion. Let me write here in RHS with coefficient 1. I will be writing a power 6 plus b power 6. Coefficient 1 is over. Now 6. I will be writing 6ab. In bracket it would be a power 4 plus b power 4. Now the turn of coefficient 15. I will write 15 a square b square. So in bracket a square plus b square will be left. And last coefficient I will write 20 with a cube b cube. Now a power 6 plus b power 6. This is known. This is known. This is unknown. This is unknown. So better is to consider a power 4 plus b power 4 and a square plus b square value separately, as we know a plus b equal to 3 equation. So let me write here a plus b equal to 3. Consider squaring both sides. So I will write a square plus b square plus 2ab, and let us also consider ab equal to t. So I will write here plus 2t equal to 9. So from here I will be having a square plus b square value. This will be equal to 9 minus 2t, which we will use directly here. Now the turn of value of a power 4 plus b power 4. I will consider squaring once again. So I will write a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a square b square. So which I will write 2t square. And right hand side it is 9 minus 2t whole square. So from here a power 4 plus b power 4 value will be 9 minus 2t whole square minus 2t square. If I will expand this, I will be having 2t square minus 36t plus 81. and this result I will use directly here. So both the values known now, and AB is equal to T. Let us put the values. Let me write here expansion once. A plus B whole power 6 equal to A power 6 plus B power 6 plus 6 AB in bracket A power 4 plus B power 4 plus 15 A square B square in bracket A square plus B square, and then last term was 20 A cube B cube. Let us apply all the values. So A plus B was 3. I will be writing here 3 power 6 equal to A power 6 plus B power 6, 65, plus AB was T, so 6T. This value A power 4 plus B power 4 was 2T square minus 36T plus 81. Now 15 A square B square, so 15T square. A square plus B square, it was 9 minus 2T, and then it is 20 T cube. So I will be writing 20 T cube. Now we have to only simplify. Once I will simplify, resolve, I will get one cubic equation, and that equation would be 2T cube minus 81T square plus 486T minus 664 equal to 0. This is one cubic equation, and I will solve using rational root theorem and synthetic division method. So let me find eligible factors of constant written term 664. So I can write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 8, and so on. And leading coefficient, if I will write, it is plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Now we have to consider the ratio. In this series, I will plug in t equal to 1. The very first value. Will it satisfy? No. 2 minus 81 plus 486 minus 664. No. If I will apply t equal to 2. So 2 cube is 8. 8 times 2 is 16 minus 81 times 4. So 324 plus 486 times 2. So this value will be 972 minus 664. If I will check, it is 988 with plus sign and 988 with negative sign. So this is giving us RHS 0. That means t equal to 2 is our base solution. Now I will write the coefficients of this cubic equation for synthetic division method. Let me write here. So I will write our base solution first, t equal to 2. Now coefficients. Coefficient of t cube 2, coefficient of t square minus 81, coefficient of t 486, constant minus 664. Leading coefficient 2 would be as it is, 2 times 2, 4, minus 77. 2 times minus 77, minus 154. And addition will give us 332. 2 times 332, 664, 0. So here we have coefficient for quadratic equation. So I will be writing 2t square minus 70 plus 332 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. If I will solve using quadratic formula method, I am writing the solution. T will come out. So that two values, if I will write here, it is 33.5 and 4.9. Approximate value. Now t was our substitution. So I will be writing here, this is the value of AB and this is our base solution. So overall AB values, if I will write, then it would be 2 base solution and 2 solutions, 33.5 and 4.9. Now our first equation, if you remember, A plus B equal to 3. I will frame 3 quadratic equations. How it would be? Let me write here. A plus B equal to 3. A plus B equal to 3. A plus B equal to 3 with 3 AB values. AB equal to 2. Then AB equal to 44.9 and then AB equal to 33.5. Now we can think about 3 quadratic equations whose roots are A and B, one for each system. Then our first equation for each system, sum of roots, product of roots. Sum of roots, product of roots, sum of roots, product of roots. We can frame 3 equations, 3 quadratic equations. Let me write here. A square minus sum of roots, so 3A plus product of roots, which is 2, second equation, equal to 0. Similarly here, I will write A square minus 3A plus 4.9 equal to 0. And third equation, A square minus 3A plus 33.5 equal to 0. So 3 quadratic we have got. Let's talk about second and third quadratic equation first. So I will be calculating discriminant only, which will be equal to B square minus 4AC. So I will be writing here minus 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 4.9. If you will check, this will be 9 minus 6, 19.6. Now you can see this value is negative. So complex solution will be there. So we will reject it. Similarly, if you will check discriminant here, it would be again negative. 9 minus 4 times 33.5. And this value will be negative. Complex solution will be there. We will write rejected solution. Now this quadratic equation, if I will solve using method of factorization, let us solve here. A square minus 3A plus 2 equal to 0. A square minus 2A minus A plus 2 equal to 0. Splitting of minus 3A as minus 2A minus A. Now A is common, A minus 2 minus 1 is common, A minus 2 equal to 0. So factorization is done. A minus 1 times A minus 2 equal to 0. So A equal to 1 and A equal to 2. Now the question is, what was A? A was our substitution. This was our A. So I will be writing here A power 6. This was equal to 33 plus X. So I will be calculating A power 6 from here. So A power 6 will be 1 power 6, 1, 2 power 6, 64. Now I will write our substitution. So 33 plus X equal to 1 and 64. Let me write here. 33 plus X equal to 1 and 64. Now take away 33 from both sides. X will be equal to 1 minus 33 and 64 minus 33. So 1 minus 33 is minus 32 and 64 minus 33 is 31. So here we have our final solutions. Now we have to cross-examine whether it is true or not. So I will be writing here verification. And let us begin with X equal to negative 32. Equation is here. So I can write 6th root of 33 plus x. So I will be writing 33 minus 32 plus 6th root of 32 minus x. So 32 minus of minus plus. Now here I will be writing 6th root of 1. Here we have to write 6th root of 64, which I will write 2 power 6. Now 6th root and power 6 will be over. And here we can write 1 power 6. So 6th root and power 6 will be over. So ultimate value will be 3, which is our RHS. Hence, minus 32 is verified solution. Now the turn of x equal to 31. X equal to 31. So LHS I will be writing 6th root of 33 plus 31 plus 6th root of 32 minus 31. So here I will be writing 6th root of, this is 64 plus 6th root of 1. Further we can write 6th root of 2 power 6 plus 6th root of 1 power 6. Again we can cancel 6th root with power 6. So it is left with 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3, and this is our RHS. Hence 31 is also true and verified solution. And this brings the end of the video, friends. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself and bye bye.